sharing the contents of a folder you have in Evernote is very easy, and it's an easy way to share certain information with others. You don't have to share everything in your notebooks, all of your notebooks, excuse me, but let's just share one. So this example, we're going to share here contacts. This is something I want to share with other members of my team. So I'm going to go down and simply hit Share Notebook. When I go to Share Notebook, now I'm using the Evernote desktop version. I'm going to come up with two options. I can share this with people I work together with, or I can publish it to anyone who has the access. Well, these are business cards that anybody can get, so not a lot of secure information here. So I'm going to share this as a public link. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that. Now, if I wanted to share with specific people, I can enter their email address and then allow them to edit and invite or edit or whatever. But I'm just going to do this here and use this public URL. So let's go ahead and test that URL here, open it up in the browser, and see what it actually looks like when you send it to somebody else. So we went ahead and selected that URL, and this is what happens first. If Evernote recognizes that Evernote exists on your computer, it's going to ask you to join the notebook. Join the notebook means that I'm going to import it as a folder into my Evernote notebooks, and then it's easy to share because it becomes part of mine and synchronizes. But we're not going to do that today. We're going to assume that we do not have a notebook, or we don't want to add it to our notebook, and we're just going to hit View Notebook. View Notebook just allows us to view that information online. And as you can see here, and watch another video of how to capture these business cards, but this is just a business card of an account manager at HP. So here we have all of this information inside of Evernote, and we look through it. So what's cool about this, though, is that Evernote allows you to search within the business card itself. So note here the title. This is the title, Evernote : contact to : account manager. Let's just search for anybody in this contact list that deals with cloud technology. So we're just going to type in cloud here and hit the search button. Once we do that, it's going to go down. It found 4 individuals within HP that deal with cloud. Now, either I put their name in cloud here, or it's here inside of their business card. So this one happens to be inside the business card for Bob Kern. So here, see, it says HP Cloud. Kind of cool, huh? Here again, he has it in his title, Cloud. Here again, he has it in his title. It's like a duplicate card. And here, James Bond here, he has Cloud in the title. So it doesn't matter where you put the information, it's all stored in the same place. So if I wanted to search for something different, I could go back and now I could search for Moonshot. I don't know if I have any business cards on Moonshot. Sure enough, I surely do. So here we have two folks that deal with Moonshot. So we can look at any of these things. Let's say I want to look for somebody with network experience. I can just hit network and hit search, and now I come up with lots of people that are dealing with networks. So pretty easy. When I get done, I can just go ahead and close that window out, and now and just close this, and now this is shared. My contact section is shared. Let's say I want to stop sharing. I simply right click on that folder again and say share notebook. I go back to my sharing box, right? I'm going to see that, and I just hit delete public link. Once I hit delete public link, now nobody can get to sharing, and I can reshare again in any fashion that I choose.